Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public restroom. First, always identify the correct restroom for your needs. Before you enter, quickly assess its cleanliness and check for available stalls. Remember to always knock gently or check for occupancy before opening any stall door. This simple step ensures privacy for everyone. Being mindful helps maintain a pleasant experience for all users. Once inside a stall, ensure you close and lock the door completely to secure your privacy. When using the toilet, be efficient with toilet paper and always dispose of it properly in the bowl. After you're finished, remember to flush the toilet completely. A single flush is usually sufficient to clear the bowl, leaving it ready for the next person. Courtesy makes a big difference. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, if you enjoy reading in private or just need a moment of quiet reflection, the new Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic. You can read anywhere with ease. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After using the toilet, proper hand washing is crucial. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, scrubbing all surfaces. Then, use paper towels or a hand dryer to ensure your hands are completely dry. Finally, exit the restroom promptly, making sure you leave it as clean and tidy as you found it for the next person. Your actions contribute to a better experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.